had an incredible event today, which is called Roots and Recipes. It's a partnership with Gervan College and MLSE and the Raptors. We had 16 student chefs take their culinary arts, their techniques, and all that they've learned, and they brought it to the table. And without question, all of the students from Gervan College did an incredible job at displaying what they've learned in culinary arts and displaying the best of African cuisine, the best of Caribbean cuisine.
As a George Brown alumni, when this idea came up, I said, absolutely, we got to make something happen here. It's about passion, it's about youth, it's about change, and it's about history. You can't have the recipes without the roots. I love the way the students presented everything today with all of their history built into it, but they made it their own.
This partnership is really important because it's really about just helping our students build and thrive. It's an opportunity to get our students exposure, but really a way that they can showcase their talents and skills in real world environments.
It's a chance for them to really express who they are from a cultural perspective, putting their culture, their background, their history on a plate and sharing it with everyone. It's such a great experience for them.
Students were able to share their roots, their timelines to home, why the food mattered to them, being able to actually compete their recipes, have experience in the hospitality program, know what it's like to actually engage the audience. You know, when we talk about Blackness and we talk about Black culture, it's about celebrating who we are and being able to present that in an ecosystem that is about education, but seeing who you are as a person.
It's just a joy to be able to, bask in the presence of all these different cultures and see them come to life. Every dish was top-notch, and I'm sure for the judges, it was a very tough pick.
All of the students created tremendous dishes, and the fact that they got showcased and platformed here, and it was just great. And I'm just hoping that we'll be back here again, and maybe they will be the chefs in the kitchen that are helping the next group of students.